Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian. Today we'd like to show you what happened today on the Bitcoin price, because guys, today it was a very big day. We saw huge dump and huge spam to the upside simultaneously after a couple hours. And guys, obviously this happened because after the Binance, which got sued by the SEC, right now the time it was for the Coinbase, inside of 24 hours we saw the second lawsuit for the Coinbase right now, and that obviously created lots of fear on the market. But guys, people showed big strength one more time, and actually the people, guys, right now saw the strength into the governments, into the SEC, and to all these guys which trying very hard to delay the growth of crypto, because they know that we're gonna bring back the power to the hands of the people, and they are afraid of that. Okay, that's why they're trying to delay that. But Bitcoin today showed to them big strength, and I'm very happy that I saw that move. That after this massive bad news, we saw massive bounce to the upside. We're supposed to get, guys, and break this $25,200 a day, but we bounced to the upside. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna tell you what's my next target for the Bitcoin price, because I'm super bullish right now after this move, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm thinking about is going to happen as the next move. So if you're interested to know that, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you're going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here you're going to find, guys, my buy signals, sell signals. Also, the strategy that I follow especially is ideal for the altcoin season. Actually, guys, I'm investing heavily into both cryptos, Ethereum and Bitcoin, but through this very smart strategy which I deploy, I'm actually investing in altcoins, and I play with the fluctuation of the Bitcoin dominance and the altcoin seasons. I'm taking profits when we see the altcoins outperforming the Bitcoin. I take profits in BTC and Ethereum. And guys, it's very smart strategy. I recommend you to enter. And also, I don't recommend you to enter only for that. I recommend you guys to enter because we have a Telegram VIP community where multimillionaires included on this community. And if you are looking to build wealth, to get help in whatever subject related with crypto, you have a question or whatsoever, or you are looking to build connections, this is the group for you, and it's highly recommended. I suggest you to do not be late to enter, because if you're gonna see an altcoin season, you're gonna miss big gains. So without losing more time, let's get back to the video, because we have lots of interesting things to analyze on this video, guys. The thing that happened today was insane. Okay, after the Binance, which got sued by the SEC, today SEC sued the Coinbase. And actually, guys, this is a move that is looking really funny, because they cannot bring the Bitcoin price down. Okay, I think this move, especially today's move, it was very clearly that they are trying to delay the growth of the Bitcoin, because they see that Bitcoin right now has strength. Obviously, we're going to have a fluctuation on the price, but guys, they cannot bring the Bitcoin price under $20,000. We have the Bitcoin price in those levels over 500 million in a market cap, and they are afraid of this move, because people right now distrust the bank system, distrust the governments, and start trusting the crypto space, and especially the Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you can clearly see here the breaking news that we had before a couple hours. SEC sues Coinbase, and sitting the exchange is acting as unregistered broker. This is ridiculous funny. Okay, when I saw that, I was laughing. I said I could not believe that. I thought that this is like a fake news for fun, but it wasn't. And I told my Patreon group that this could bring massive dump. Okay, because this was back to back, and I was expecting, guys, to be honest with you, into big dump here to retest this $25,200. We saw this huge dump, but this wasn't so big to actually break the $25,200, and subsequently, guys, all this pump actually filled out and the people bought more Bitcoin, which is ridiculous funny. We should send this chart, guys, straight to Gary Gensler to show him that he and his team cannot actually bring the BTC price down. So right now, from the technical side, you can clearly see that Bitcoin is back to this massive orange line, which I discussed you previously in my previous videos. I mean, many times, that is very strong resistance and support area. Right now, it seems that we found some kind of resistance, and guys, if tomorrow and in the next coming hours and furthermore pump to the upside, this could be super bullish scenario, because also you can clearly see that we had this symmetrical triangle. Today we saw the Bitcoin dominance outperforming, and this was very rational to happen, because when crypto is being attacked, most of the times, first of all, Bitcoin is getting hit, and then subsequently the altcoins. So when we saw this kind of pump to the upside, we saw pump in the Bitcoin. In the next coming days, we can potentially see, especially if Bitcoin will continue to the upside, furthermore pump into the altcoins. And I hope a lot to an altcoin season. And I don't say that this is going to happen in 1 to 3 days, but in the next coming weeks, I hope for an altcoin season. Okay, I really believe that we have a potential to see something like that. If this thing gonna happen, we're gonna see Bitcoin dominance back to 40%. So we could potentially see massive gains to our portfolios. Also here, guys, I would like to show you some very important resistance. Right now, if we're gonna see furthermore pump and we break this massive orange line, then we have the most crucial resistance, which is this blue line. And if we're gonna see a continuation of this pump and break this blue line, then we're gonna see an incredible reversal after this kind of downtrend movement, because we're gonna break this resistance of this downtrend movement. We're gonna get straight to this blue line, and I believe that this blue line is gonna break very easy, and we're gonna jump straight into bigger numbers, which, if the scenario is going to play out, I'm going to analyze you then where we're going to get. Obviously, I believe, as you remember from my previous videos, if we're going to see a potential altcoin season, we can see Bitcoin from $32,000 up to $37,000, $38,000, and then I'm expecting a big crash that I don't know yet how low we can potentially see the Bitcoin price. Obviously, for me, the bottom is in. I don't believe that we're going to see a new bottom ever again. We have so much power right now. It's really hard to see Bitcoin under $15,000. It's impossible for me. But let's focus right now for this current situation. And this is what I would like to tell you guys about today news, and actually for today Bitcoin price action. Tomorrow we're gonna see more indicators, because I have to show you some really important indicators that flashed, and we should also pay attention. We should not neglect those. So do not miss the next video, guys. It's gonna be really important. And thank you so much for your support. A big thank you to everyone who's supporting me. Appreciate you a lot for every support that you show me, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.